good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever I may be watching this from. This is Cornelius with another video. This is a scalar multiple of a vector. We have done A, B, C, and in this video I'm going to do D. D is O, G. So we are going to go from O to G. In the prior videos we found all this. OM is half of A, MB is half of 2 of vector B minus A, MG is half as 1/60 of 2 of vector B minus A. That's what we did in the prior videos. In this video we're finding OG. So if you look at this triangle that we drew in the first video, it doesn't have OG. It has the points OG but does not have the line OG. So we are allowed to write the line OG. O to G. So there are different paths you can take to go from O to G. So you can take this path. You can stand at this point O. You go from this point O to B, then you rest, B to G. Now this is not the best path because we do not know G to B. It means we would need more solving, more answering, and some questions will not just give you what GB is, or BG, which is B to G. And then here we are at O, we go to M, and then from M we go to G. This path we know, we did it. We know what MG is, it is here. We know what OM is, it is there. So in this video we just continue with what we know. OG will be equal to OM, like that, plus MG. So we're going from O to G. So we got O, we rest at M, then from M we go to G. That's how you always write the vectors. OM is equal to half of vector A. So 1/2 of vector A plus MG is 1/60 of 2 of vector B minus vector A. Like that. So we simplify. This will be equal to half of vector A plus 1/3 of vector B. 1/3 of vector B minus 1/60 of vector A. Alright, so this is what we have. And then to simplify this further, we just group the like terms. 1/2 of vector A minus 1/60 of vector A plus 1/3 of vector B. So there's a simple way of solving fractions without finding the lowest common denominator. What we do is that here on the top we'll multiply this denominator here and this denominator here. We look at the denominator, so here at the top we multiply by the denominator, this 6 here. We multiply by the fraction here. So this dot means multiplication. So we multiply by 6, even the bottom multiply by 6. I hope you're not lost. So this 6 times 1 and this 6 times 2. And then this 2 here, not this 6 but this 2 times 1 and then this 2 times 6. That is another way of simplifying. If you're okay, you can just use the other method. If this has confused you here. So this 6 times 1, 6 times 2, and then this 2 here times 1, 2 like that. It would be equal to 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12 of vector A minus. Here we'll have 2 times 1 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12 of vector A plus 1/3 of vector B, like that. And then we start to simplify this further. This would be equal to, so it's here, I'm continuing it here. Since they have the same denominators, you have seen that it's 6a over 12, 2a over 12. Same denominator. When you have same denominator for fractions, you just subtract the numerators. So it will just be 6 minus 2, which is 4 over 12 of vector A, plus a third of vector B. So plus a third of vector B. And then we can just wrap, just in case you might be confused there. Let's just erase. Let's erase. Okay, so 4 can go into of 1, 4 can go into of 3. This is 1/3 of vector A plus a third of vector B. Alright, therefore our OG has to be left in its simplest form. So since a third is common for A and B, we will factor out a third, or 1/3 A plus B. That's your final answer. Alright, that's it for this example. These are your final answers, like that. OG is that, OM is that, MB is that, and MG is that. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Cornelius Zubinda with another segment of videos. Thank you so much for your support. I can see your support. 13 subscribers. Very, very thankful. I've been saying that this week I'm supposed to make a calculus playlist. I am going to make it. And until the next video, bye bye.